Are you ready to spice up your life? In today's video, we're diving into the fiery world of chili peppers, exploring their health benefits, serving sizes, and potential concerns. So grab a glass of water and let's get started. Introduction to chili peppers. Chili peppers have been a staple ingredient in cuisines across the globe for centuries. But did you know that they offer more than just a fiery kick? Let's uncover the hidden treasures of chili peppers and how they can positively impact your health. Expert opinions. To shed light on the health benefits of chili peppers, we've invited renowned nutritionist, Dr. Emma Turner. Dr. Emma Turner. Chili peppers are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Studies have shown that they may boost metabolism, aid digestion, and even have potential pain-relieving properties. Dr. Turner's expertise highlights the potential benefits of chili peppers, but how much should we consume to reap these rewards? Serving sizes and cooking tips. Finding the right balance is key when it comes to chili peppers. Let's explore the optimal serving sizes and cooking techniques to maximize the health benefits without going overboard. Whether you prefer mild or extra spicy, there's a chili pepper dish for everyone. Just remember to start with smaller quantities if you're new to spicy foods. Potential concerns and precautions. While chili peppers offer a range of health benefits, it's important to address potential concerns and precautions associated with their consumption. To gain a comprehensive understanding, we spoke with Dr. Adam Patel, a gastroenterologist. Dr. Adam Patel. For some individuals, chili peppers can exacerbate heartburn, acid reflux, or even trigger irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, symptoms. It's crucial to listen to your body and moderate your intake if you experience any discomfort. The fiery finale. We've covered the health benefits, serving sizes, and potential concerns of chili peppers, but the journey doesn't end here. It's time to embrace the heat and discover your favorite chili pepper recipes. From mouth-watering salsas to spicy curries, the world of chili peppers awaits you. Remember, when it comes to chili peppers, moderation is key. Embrace the spice, explore the flavors, and unlock a world of health benefits. If you enjoyed this video, be sure. Thanks for watching.